Good afternoon. This is Mana Study Center, Dehradun. I am Maths faculty. My name is Manikandan. Today I am going to do chapters from quadratic equation. Questions from quadratic equation. These questions are from IIT and JEE level. First question is on the screen. Alpha, comma beta are the roots of this equation. Find alpha power 14 plus beta power 14. We are given x square minus root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to, using the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is root 2 plus or minus root of root 2 square minus 8 divided by 2, which is root 2 plus or minus root of minus 6 divided by 2, that is root 2 plus or minus root 6i divided by 2, which is equal to root 2 take outside, 1 plus or minus root 3i divided by 2, that is x is equal to, which is equal to root 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 I by 2, one root, that is alpha. Another one is root 2 into 1 by 2 minus root 3 I by 2. That is alpha is equal to root 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. That is equal to root 2 into e to the power I pi by 3. And beta is equal to root 2 into e to the power minus I pi by 3. Now we want alpha power 14 plus beta power 14. That is alpha power 14 plus beta to the power 14. Root 2 into e to the power I pi by 3 whole power 14 plus root 2 into e to the power minus I pi by 3 whole power 14. That is root 2 to the power 14 take outside, e to the power I 14 pi by 3 plus e to the power I minus 14 I pi by 3. That is root 2 to the power 14 outside, cos of 14 pi by 3 plus I sin 14 pi by 3 plus cos of 14 pi by 3 minus I sin 14 pi by 3. This and this get cancelled. Root to the power 14 is 2 power 7 multiplied by 2 cos 14 pi by 3. That is 2 power 8 multiplied by cos of 2 pi plus pi by 3. 2 pi, that is 4 pi plus 2 pi by 3. That is 256 multiplied by minus cos 2 pi by 3. Minus cos 2 pi by 3. Cos of 4 pi plus 2 pi by 3, which is minus of 256 into cos 2 pi by 3 is cos of pi minus pi by 3, which is minus 256 into minus 1 by 2, which is 128. That is the answer. Now we will move to the next question. Next question is on the screen. A and B are the roots of x square minus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. So a square minus 7a minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly, b square minus 7a minus 1 is equal to 0. That is a square minus 1 is equal to 7a. Dividing whole equation by a, so we get a minus 1 by a equal to 7. Similarly, b minus 1 by b equal to 7. Squaring on both sides, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 equal to 49. So a square plus 1 by a square equal to 51. Similarly, b square plus 1 by b square is again 51. Now we are given a to the power 21 plus a to the power 17, b to the power 21 plus b to the power 17 divided by a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. Now if I take a to the power 17 outside, I will get a to the power 4 plus 1 plus b power 17 outside, b power 14. Expression is a to the power 21 plus a to the power 17 plus b to the power 21 plus b to the power 17 divided by a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. We know that a square plus 1 by a square equal to 51. Similarly, b square plus 1 by b square equal to 51. Now if I take a to the power 21 plus a to the power 17 plus b to the power 21 plus b to the power 17 divided by a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. So from these two steps, if I take a to the power 19 outside, I will get a square plus 1 by a square. B to the power 19 outside, I will get b square plus 1 by b square divided by a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. That is 51 into a to the power 19 plus 51 into b to the power 19 divided by a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. That is equal to 51 outside. A power 19 plus b power 19 divided by a power 90 plus b power 19. The answer is 51. Now next question. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Sum of the squares of the reciprocal is equal to 15. Find the value of 6 times alpha cube plus beta cube whole square. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. That means alpha plus beta is equal to minus lambda by 3. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. According to the question, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square equal to 15. That is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 15 into alpha beta whole square. That is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 15 into minus 1 by 3 whole square. That is lambda square divided by 9 minus 2 times minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 15 by 3. Lambda square divided by 9 equal to 2 by 3 minus 15 by 3. That is equal to minus 12 by 3, which is equal to minus 4. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square equal to 15. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 15 into alpha square. Alpha beta whole square lambda square by 9 minus 2 times minus 1 by 3 equal to 15 by 9. 15 by 9. So next step, lambda square divided by 9 plus 2 by 3 equal to 15 by 9. So lambda square divided by 9 equal to 15 by 9 minus 6 by 9, which is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to plus or minus 3. Now according to the question, we want 6 times alpha cube plus beta cube whole square. That is 6 times alpha plus beta multiplied by alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. That is 6 times alpha plus beta minus lambda by 3 multiplied by alpha square plus beta square. That is equal to 15 times alpha beta whole square minus alpha beta whole square. 6 times lambda is plus or minus 3. So plus or minus 3 divided by 3, 15 times alpha beta is minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9 minus of 1 by 3, then whole square. That is 6 times 15 by 9 plus 1 by 3, 9 outside, 15 plus 3 whole square. That is 6 times 2 square, which is equal to 24. The answer is 24 is the answer. Now we will move to the next question. Alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Find the value of alpha cube upon beta power 5 whole power 1 by 8 plus beta cube divided by alpha power 5 whole power 1 by 8. According to the question, alpha plus beta is equal to 64. Alpha into beta is equal to 256. Alpha cube divided by beta power 5 whole power 1 by 8 plus beta cube divided by alpha power 5 whole power 1 by 8. That is alpha power 3 by 8 divided by beta power 5 by 8 plus beta power 3 by 8 divided by alpha power 5 by 8. That is equal to alpha to the power 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 plus beta power 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 divided by alpha into beta whole power 5 by 8. That is alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta whole power 5 by 8. Alpha plus beta is 64 divided by 256 whole power 5 by 8. that is 64 divided by 2 power 8 whole power 5 by 8, which is 64 divided by 32 equal to 2. The answer is 2. Last question. Alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Find the least value of alpha by b whole power n equal to 1 is. We are given x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. That is x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to plus or minus I. X minus 1 is equal to plus or minus I. So x is equal to 1 plus I and x equal to 1 minus I. So alpha is equal to 1 plus I, beta is equal to 1 minus I, alpha divided by beta equal to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. That is 1 plus I whole square whole power n divided by 2 raised to the power n equal to 1, which is 1 plus I square plus 2I whole power n divided by 2 power n equal to 1. That is I power n equal to 1. So n is equal to 4. Return trial method, the answer is 4.